Creating rich, powerful interactions for your e-learning courses is easier than ever with the all-new Adobe Captivate. Whether you hope to create simulations, timeline-based overlays, engaging interactive navigation, scenarios, or just cool learner interactions, the all-new Adobe Captivate includes a wide array of simple-to-set-up interaction tools. E-learning developers can leverage the new trigger-based interactions with convenient visual cues and guided workflows to easily create engaging, interactive learner experiences without programming. Content developers can use buttons, input fields, radio buttons, drop-down menus, and checkboxes to facilitate learning activities. They can use any image or text in the project as a trigger. Timeline triggers are now supported as well, enabling all kinds of engagements based on the project timeline. Projects also support sophisticated slide-based interactions that substantially expedite common, complex interactions, like forced navigation, both for object interactions and tracking whether the states of multi-state objects have all been viewed. These enhancements will save your course developers a lot of time, and they will expand your pool of available interaction developers by providing a much simpler authoring experience for all the members of your team